So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now, let's do our assignment Digital Circuit Week 3rd Assignment 3rd. So, the first question is the Boolean function f of a b c summation of 3 4 6 7 is equivalent to. So, these are the option and the answer of first question is D. Now, the second question is recall that an implicant is a product term in the sum of product representation of a Boolean function. A prime implicant is an implicant of minimal size, that is an implicant with the fewest literals. Which of the following are prime implicant of the function? So these are the option and the answer of second question is C. None of the above. Now the third question is Boolean expression can be minimized using dash, algebraic method, De Morgan's law, Carnot map, both A and C. So the answer of third question is D, both A and C. Now the fourth question is the Boolean function f of A, B, C, D. Summation of m 1 3 7 11 15 plus summation of d 0 to 9 is equivalent to. So these are the option and the answer of fourth is B. Now the fifth question is simplify the Boolean function. So these are the option and the answer of fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is the Boolean function f of a b c d summation m 5 7 9 8 10 11 plus summation d 0 4 6 8 10 12 14 is equivalent to. So these are the option and the answer of sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is the sum of product expression f is equal to ab plus cd is equivalent to the product of sum expression. So the answer of seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is which type of logic circuit can directly implement the following product of sum expression without any conversion of transformation. So these are the option and the answer of eighth question is A, two level or and logic gate. Now the ninth question is the product of sum expression f is equivalent to the sum of product expression. So the answer of ninth question is C. Now the 10th question is the minimized expression of the function f. So the answer of 10th question is B. Now the 11th question is for an n variable Boolean function, Carnot map contains how many cells or squares or cells? So the answer of 11th question is C, 2 की power n cells. Now the 12th question is the prime implicant which has at least one element that is not present in any other implicant is known as. So these are the option essential prime implicant, non-implicant, complement implicant, prime complement. So the answer of 12th question is A, essential prime implicant. Now the 13th question is the reduced circuit of the following original circuit is. So these are the option and the answer of 13th question is B. Now the 14th question is the Boolean function fpqrs is given as fpqrs summation m. So these are the option and the answer of 14th question is B. Now the 15th question is a combinational circuit has input A, B and C and its Carnot map is given below. The output expression of the circuit is given by. So these are the option and the answer of 15th question is A. So let's submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.